Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Hey, hey, we getting dressed, y'all. Let me show y'all what we working with.
Yeah, I'ma tell you how a bitch did it. Bring it way back, I'ma start from the beginning when I'm finished. Smoke it out and get.
Y'all, this is my best friend Nicole. Say hey, boo. You poppin', girl. Oh, baby, hold on. Oh, sexy mama. Okay, have to zoom in on the sexiness. Period. Shit, y'all. Alexis is getting dressed. She always the last. She's always the last person to get dressed.
Bitch, I couldn't find my shit. Shut up.
She was the first person who had an outfit and everything. Still ain't ready. Took a shower. You took a shower second.
Took a shower first, bro.
Yeah, and well over here, yeah. And still ain't ready.
Give a fuck.
It's lit, y'all.
Time to go.
This is my outfit. Hold on. This is my outfit. Oh, I almost dropped the phone. This is the outfit. Okay, okay. Boom. Boom. Need to lose this stomach, but still gonna wear it out. Okay. Y'all see my booty?
Broke nigga here, nah, I can't. What you gonna do? I'ma fuck you till you ain't one. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold the fuck up! Yo, we about to die. I fuck him up in the head. Suck it and look in his eyes. Next day I might leave my red way. Pop it.
I'm doing a giraffe walk. Bro, my contact is like acting crazy. Alexis! Alexis! I can't laugh at you because I got a shit. If I laugh, I'm gonna shit on myself.
Do you mean it though?
What?
That you love me?
Yes. Duh.
I love you so fucking much. I don't know what the fuck I would do without you and the girl, bro. Y'all are my rock, bro. I swear. Besides my baby, I love y'all like y'all are my fucking sisters, bro. Like.
No, I'm just playing. No, but y'all, hey, I'm going to Walmart to get my coworker some cupcakes for her birthday because that's what we do around here. We celebrate each other's birthday. We love each other. We, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm about to go in Walmart. My favorite store. But I'll see you guys in the store. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Hey y'all, welcome to another day in the vlog. Basically what I'm doing right now is I'm laying in my bed because we're waiting on my auntie. We're having a little girls' night. And, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be me, two of my aunts, and my mama. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, we just, you know, about to have girls' night. So, keep day in the vlog. We're running late, as you know, black people do. We wasn't ready on time. It was actually both of us' fault. Usually it'd be Alexis, but it was me too this time. So, and Nicole, she had to go get her a bra because she ain't have one. We was supposed to be there at 3. It is 2:59, and we like 20 minutes away.
And we still, once we get there, we still gotta find parking. And
Right?
we gotta walk to the damn place.
Where is it at though? Cause I wasn't with y'all.
It's upstairs.
Upstairs?
It's by Sears.
Oh my gosh, and this is Sunday. Okay, y'all, pray for us. We don't even know if we gonna get there on time. Well, we know we're not gonna get there on time, but on like in a decent late time amount. Y'all, don't mind my wig, cause I don't know. I'm not good at doing wigs. I'm still learning.
Sorry.
What?
My bad, y'all. But this lash is about to drive me crazy.
Let me see. Don't
y'all,
touch
look,
it.
I did my lashes for the very first time on my own. How y'all think it is?
It look cute. I don't see what's wrong with it. Okay.
Oh, I need to put my bra on.
Girl, you can't even tell you ain't got a bra on because you ain't got no damn titties.
That's why I'm finna put one on so it can look like I do.
Okay, y'all, we at the mall. We got a lot of people ahead of us. Oh, my best friends are cute. We're waiting in this line because we're hungry.
Don't snap got boomerang.
No. So hungry. I'm so hungry. Y'all, we done left Alexis' ass because she always take her sweet ass time, but we didn't left her ass. Here she come, y'all. Y'all, I'm bloated. Why we eat this much? No, we gotta take some pictures. Y'all, I do not like them pictures. Pick the worst picture.
Memories.
They picked the worst picture.
Thank you.
Your $20.
So that's what's $20. That's what it get you.
I don't know, bro.
What you mean?
I ain't feeling it.
We always feeling it.
No, y'all picked the worst one. They could have got the one with us sitting on the ground, but no.
You didn't say nothing, TT. You wasn't saying
So
nothing.
why didn't you say
Cause
anything?
y'all,
Don't do that.
no, hold on.
Because you
First
ain't
of
say
all,
nothing.
first of
I know,
all,
you
y'all
know, it
bitches
don't
like it the
matter.
one standing up. So
Then
that's
why
what
didn't you say something? I
I
didn't
did. What y'all not finna do is try to say I didn't say.
No, you did say that.
I did, exactly.
But you didn't say nothing after that.
Cause I didn't care because
back.
y'all was looking at him like, ooh,
Yeah,
ooh, I don't know if I like. So shut the hell up. Nicole just need to shut up at this point.
You're not making no sense. Like,
How I'm not making no sense? Cause I said I don't like the ugly picture.
but they all ugly.
Hey!
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Another day in the vlog. This is Christmas Eve. This is my last official day for my Vlogmas comp, you know. Complaint. What is it called? Something, I don't know. But yeah. So thank y'all for watching.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?